Hello, today we're gonna make a flower. We need two different colored sticky notes and we need a scissor. We're gonna make this is gonna be a flower and the other color will be our stand. Gonna take this edge and we're gonna bring it to this to the up. Now we're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut but not all cut. We need to give a little bit of space. Now we're gonna fold it back. We're gonna flip it, and now we're gonna this gonna be our sticky part, and we're gonna take this edge and gonna bring it to the up. Now this we're gonna put that to the side. Now we're gonna make the stand. Now we're gonna roll the paper, and this gonna be our sticky part. Now we're gonna with the flower and with the stand, we're gonna roll the flower. And here we go, made a flower. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.